What's going on, YouTube? Behind me is Ocean State Job Lot. Never heard of them. Don't know what's in there. Haven't bothered to look it up yet. But that's the former carcass of Toys R Us that I grew up going to. So let's go inside and check it out. This will be my first time walking through these doors in probably a decade, maybe more. I don't know. It's been a long time. I distinctly remember this being filled with toys. So, kind of looks like a general value store, I would say. I'm told it's comparable to a Ollie's or Big Lots. A lot of seasonal garden stuff going on over here. Yeah, this does kind of remind me of like an Ollie's. Random cards. A lot of home goods and stuff like that. Looks like they got some rugs going on over there. I remember there being like puzzles or something in this part of the store when it was Toys R Us. And this part of the store was my favorite. It had all the video games when it was Toys R Us. It's not as big as I remember though. Or maybe I'm just bigger. Alright guys, well that was my quick tour of Ocean State Job Lot here in Johnson City. Give the video a thumbs up. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So I'd really appreciate it if you could throw a thumbs up and a subscribe down below. And again, thanks for watching.